OPPO F21 Pro smartphone in Cosmic Black. It comes in a size of 16 into 7.3 into 0.7 centimeters and weighs 175 grams. It is also available in Sunset Orange. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage that is expandable to 1 TB. It features dual SIM and microSD slot. The 6.43 inches FHD AMOLED eye-care display has a refresh rate of 90 Hz and touch sampling rate of 180 Hz. The phone is also equipped with a fingerprint sensor. The AI triple camera setup 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel comes with micro lens and the 32 megapixel front camera with flagship Sony IMX709 sensor. The phone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 6nm octa-core processor. It is powered with 4500 mAh battery with 33-watt Super Whoop charging that gives 5 minutes charge with 2.68 hours talk time. The box includes the smartphone, SIM tray ejector, adapter,